Hey kids, it's Top from Big Top Outdoors. Today we're going to take the family. We're going to go to the Coke Museum in downtown Atlanta. Pretty cool experience. You get to taste Cokes from all around the world. So if you're a Coke fan, join us. We'll see you soon.
I get paid to make Coke-related puns on a daily basis. I'm gonna keep my bad jokes. How this works, I'm gonna explain Coca-Cola history, a few artifacts, starting from the beginning.
Flavor would be called
in the proper quantities
Druggist.
and in the correct order. He had to ensure the integrity of each batch and satisfy himself that his youthful son had truly learned the formula and that he could depend on the support of my father. The packages were lifted from the cases and all labels.
No, the camera's there. Look at the camera.
The photographer requested a shot before he returned.
Too dark. Get my moves on camera.
We have here today. I'll lead you to the main floor. We have 4 more exhibits upstairs on our 2nd floor. Welcome to the vault chamber and welcome to the world of Coca-Cola. 2 to 3 minutes show.
Thank you.
I didn't even know we did Smartwatch?
Happy birthday. You're welcome.
Lands at in Dallas at 6. 50-minute layover. Lands at 8:40.
The rest pause that refreshes. So there's a way for them to do Coke in space. Drinks used to come around the plane in the 1940s. And Jesse Owens, Alice Coachman in Norway. They're tying with the Olympics.
Supporting every Olympic game since 1998.
That's not a Coke. This is a Coke. So the yellow delivery trucks. I wonder why delivery trucks aren't yellow anymore. Let's test it.
Which movie does the Coca-Cola brand appear as part of a 1940s? Cool. Goodfellas, 1990 Coca-Cola is featured in. I'd imagine a family dinner or
8 seconds.
I'm going family dinner. Yeah. 1971 movie shoot.
8 seconds.
I was just dreaming around. Yeah.
No.
Last picture show. E.T. Which drink does Elliot show E.T.? Coca-Cola. Which superhero famous passenger Coca-Cola billboard in this 1978 film? Yeah, that's the only one that was there.
Well done. And good guesses.
I got an 80.
Order a popcorn and a Coke.
Stop by Pharmacy Beer. Name's SJ for short. Your friendly neighborhood soda jerk for long.
Exactly
And
what I have this way.
time. For example, ever use a coupon?
You made him a woman
And made her a man.
You're a man.
That's great.
Oh, I think I know what happened. It's specific one.
Right. Roman would appreciate it. Monkey Butt would appreciate all this.
You say monkey butt?
Yep. Little Fanta. How long has this been around?
Fanta was made in
You sure about that?
Yeah.
1960s.
They don't want to talk about the fact that Fanta was made in
South Africa, 63. 59 here.
Yeah, 1940. Due to the American trade embargo in Germany affected the availability of the Coke ingredients, so they made
Tbilisi, Georgia.
yeah,
Kind of cool.
the Georgian Coke bottle.
It's the Georgia Coke bottle.
You get to smell the soda.
Yeah. I smell it. Yeah. Smell the root beer.
The watermelon.
That smells like cherry Coke.
Yep.
Like a tea. Tea of some sort. Simply lemonade, right?
What? Can I try now?
Oh,
I just have to touch the screen. Let me get a look at it first.
I didn't pay close enough attention. The C was like big.
See, what language are you writing it in?
I'm only seeing one flag. There was something that went through here.
Coca-Cola.
The polar bear. First used in France in 1922. Really? Now it's time to taste the flavors. Romanian Sprite. Isn't this what the girl said her favorite was?
Oh no, that's the one that's not good. That one's fine.
Ooh,
Romanian
like
Sprite's good.
cucumber Sprite from Romania. That's really good.
Ooh.
I like that one.
Uganda? Did you try that?
Fanta from Uganda.
They're all the same on the same station? I don't know, but I keep it.
I didn't need that much. Ooh. It's more tart. Yeah. Now combine the two.
What is celebration event?
Ooh, that's quite good. The Uganda Fanta with the Romania Sprite. All right, my favorite mixture.
Zimbabwe was good.
Uganda
Combine
Fanta
them.
with Romanian Sprite.
You mean
Zimbabwe's good. Okay, apparently this one,
oh yeah, it does. It's barbecue sauce.
it tastes like barbecue sauce. So let's see. Oh.
It's not terrible though. I mean,
It's not good.
it grossed me out.
I wouldn't drink it.
I wouldn't drink it, no.
That's
What's the
literally
mango,
just like
mango lime?
In North America, maybe.
Oh,
Which one?
the Germans.
Yeah.
Yeah, the barbecue sauce was nasty. Don't do the barbecue sauce.
Which one are you talking about? Venezuela.
Venezuela?
No, that comes up. Indian.
India
That's
smells
gross.
like, or tastes like
I don't like
Coca-Cola.
pineapple.
What do we got here from Greece?
Greece was disgusting. This is Chile.
Chile is just it.
It's flavorless.
Yeah.
I'm not getting anything from it.
Yeah, it's just. It's
Yeah.
supposed to be apple flavored, but
It's
it's
like
just
water.
not. Yeah.
Is this your palate cleanser?
Yep.
What's your preference?
Regular. Cherry, actually. But I'm going to try a bunch of
It's
that.
cream soda.
I know.
No. The chaos of the tasting room. Now for the commercial side of Coca-Cola.
Look at that one.
Ended up buying Coca in Japanese. So after embracing our commercial overlords and buying more crap, hope you enjoyed the Coke Museum. We'll see you soon.